Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all you happy and well. So in today's video today we are going to have some fun with chalk painting. Chalk painting is an easy and relaxing craft that anyone can do. All you need are some more chalk paints, brushes, and a little bit of creative. First, wash your rocks properly and let them dry. This will make the paint stick better. Now let's start. Friends, and first wash your rocks properly and let them dry. This will make the paint stick better. Now let's start painting. You can paint simple patterns like polka dots or zigzags just to take bright colors and paint fun designs. You can also paint cute animals on rocks. Try making a ladybug by painting the rocks red and adding black dots, or make a bus with yellow and black strips. Another idea is to paint in Spring's word like hope, love, smile, or begun. These little rocks can spread happiness when you place them in your garden or share with them with friends. You can also make rocks like take a round rocks and paint small dots in a circle pattern. Use different colors for a beautiful effects. Friends, and if you like natural natural paint flowers, trees, or the sun on your rocks. These look lovely as garden decoration. You can even make holiday themed rocks, for example hearts or Valentine's Day.